Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce the news of products on my right hand. This is under counter styling the freezers. Let me give the overall dimensions first. For the length, the units will be 48.5 inches long. And depth of the units, they are about like a 30.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 36 inches tall. So we can see the units, they come in with flat tops. They made by all stainless steel, so you can making the food or prep anything you want on top of it. And we do having two swing doors at the bottoms. You can open it, and they have a little bit slowly the shop close. And at the bottom, we can see the wheels have the locks on it. Now let me give the dimension for the inner side. For the inner side, they are about like a 20 inches deep. And the bottom layers, they are about like 12 and 3/4 inches deep. And the length of the units, inner side about like a 44 inches wide. For this entrance clearance height, it is about like a 21.5 inches tall. Also, when we open the door, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers right here. They have all the car sheets information from the manufacturers and details, and for the fast serial numbers right here. And when we look in the behind of the units at the bottoms, the compressor is mounted right here, right away. And they do have a controllers. The digital controller will be helping to diagnose the problems, and also you can set the temperature for it. And also they do standing with the 110 plugs at the behind of the units. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.